I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from PayPal to your Affirm account, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Link your bank account. First, ensure that your PayPal account is linked to a bank account that is also connected to your Affirm account. This is crucial for the transfer. Step 2. Withdraw funds from PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on Withdraw Funds to transfer money to your linked bank account. Step 3. Wait for transfer completion. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Add funds to Affirm. Once the money is in your bank account, log into your Affirm account. Go to the Payments section and select Add funds to transfer the money from your bank account to Affirm. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Finally, check your Affirm account to confirm that the funds have been successfully added. You should see the updated balance reflecting the transfer. If you run into any issues, double check that your bank accounts are correctly linked in both PayPal and Affirm. Happy transferring!